Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this TY Classic 1997 Dakota the Husky Plush. Without further ado, let's get into the review. He has blue eyes, but you can't really see him that well. There's the hang tag, the nose, there's the tush tag, tie and copyright 1997. The tush, the front of the tush tag, the little tail, back of the Husky, side, there's the stitching of the toes, there's his face, and there's his hang tag. Let me just put the camera down and slide this off. There. And then there's his there's his hang tag. And there's Dakota, to and from and with in love. And there's the front. I put the tag protector back on so I can't ruin the tag. And that's it. That's it, boys and girls. That's a quick review on this TY Classic 1997 Dakota the Husky Plush. Alright, guys. Bye.